To fix this problem, you want to uninstall WhatsApp from the phone that's not working for you. So you want to uninstall WhatsApp. Make sure that you uninstall it. Then you want to take out the SIM card from your phone that WhatsApp is not working with, and you want to put that SIM card into a different phone. Once you put that into a different phone, you want to set up WhatsApp with that SIM card and that phone number on a different phone. After that, you want to insert the SIM card back into the phone that WhatsApp is not working on, and you want to open up WhatsApp. Once you open up WhatsApp, it's going to ask you to transfer your chats. So you want to follow through all the steps and transfer your chats, then it should be working for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to turn off your Wi-Fi. Make sure you turn it off. Then you want to close WhatsApp. Now you want to activate airplane mode. You want to turn on airplane mode. So flight mode, turn this on. And you want to wait for 10 minutes. Just wait for 10 minutes. After you wait for 10 minutes, you want to turn back on Wi-Fi and you want to turn off flight mode. Then you want to enter WhatsApp again and then set up your phone, then it should be working for you. But the first method I told you will most likely work for you.